Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4shop. Today I want to show you our box that you can do basically wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you have the wired one. So basically this item connects to the USB port, which is in this car, it's in the armrest. It connected. So right away you see there is a logo pops out that it shows the Apple CarPlay is activated. And by selecting that, it goes to basically the wireless mode. So you need to pair your phone through Bluetooth to this Bluetooth and leave your Wi-Fi on, and it uses the factory microphone inside the car. So let me just show you. I'm trying to connect it to my phone, and it connects very fast. I cannot play the song completely because of the copyright, and I can use the command system in this Mazda. This is a Mazda 3 hatchback, so I can use it and I can navigate through the CarPlay, and as I said, it uses the factory microphone too. This is one option to get the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto if your car is not equipped with them. I come back to you shortly with another option. Okay, this is the second option that you have. This one basically, it's a basic Android version of that adapter that I show you first. So you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto right now wirelessly through this box. Plus here you can play, if you share the Wi-Fi to the adapter, you can play Netflix, YouTube Music, Spotify, or if you have IPTV, you can connect it to IPTV too. So right now I'm sharing the Wi-Fi to the screen, and I can do Netflix. The account is not connected, but if you have an account on Netflix, you can play Netflix. Or by going to YouTube, you can play your videos. Right now I'm sharing my Wi-Fi from my phone to that adapter, so you can do YouTube, Netflix, or IPTV. And we do have the other versions that they're higher quality, plus they accept SIM card, HDMI input, output. We're gonna do a video on those two on the part 2 of this video. If you're interested to get these type of adapters, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.